Hi guys, very happy to have you guys here with me in this wonderful month of August. I'm excited to have you here once again with me. If you're just joining me for the first time and you're wondering who's this guy, okay, my name is Ibukun and I'm a digital marketer and a business coach. Basically, I mentor people on how they can easily maximize their returns on investments to make money online and offline. And also, I help people to market their products online and offline. So if you're trying to market your products, you can contact me. I'll be able to do that for you. Without wasting much of your time, I'm going to be talking about how you can easily make 10,000 naira every day as an affiliate. Wow. So if you're trying to make 10,000 naira or more every day as an affiliate, then this video is for you. Um, the platform I'm going to be talking about is called PiggyVest. And what does PiggyVest do? PiggyVest is a financial institution. They invest your money and save your money, and you can easily make interest from that. So, if you refer someone to join PiggyVest, automatically you get 1,000 naira for referring someone to join PiggyVest. So let's assume you refer 5 people in a day, you automatically get 5,000 naira. Let's assume you refer 10 people in a day, you automatically get 10,000 naira. That's cool, right? So it's simply refer and earn. If you're wondering, PiggyVest, is it a scam or is not a scam? I am in this system. I'm a beneficiary, sorry, of PiggyVest. So if you're wondering if it's a scam, it is not a scam. They are registered under the Corporate Affairs Commission. And if you want to know more about them, you can go Google it, search on PiggyVest. You can use your Facebook, you can use your Twitter, and you're going to get all the information you need to know about them. As I said earlier, they are financial institution. They save your money, and you can easily invest your money as an entrepreneur, and you can make interest from that. So I'm going to share a link in the description of this video that can help you to register and start earning on PiggyVest. It's so simple. When you click on the link, you are going to register using your email. If you have a phone number, you put your phone number and then you create a password. Then just follow all the informations on the platform and you're good to go. So as soon as you're certified, you are going to see where to refer someone and you can start earning money for yourself. So, and also if you want any information regarding joining PiggyVest, you're going to see it on the platform. You're going to see a space that you're going to either chat with the customer care or you can easily call the customer care and it's going to answer any question regarding joining PiggyVest. So guys, if you have not subscribed to my channel, please guys try and subscribe to this channel because I promise to educate you. I promise to empower you to learn how to make money, manage it, and multiply it. So if you are trying to invest your money either digitally or either offline, I'm going to show you how you can easily do that. And then if you are still sleeping and wondering, is making money on the internet a scam? You got to wake up. You got to wake up to responsibility. You got to wake up. The world is changing. Things are going digital now. So I must tell you that people are making a lot of money online. And then it requires a skill. You need to know how to market your product. You need to know how to advertise using different social media platform. And if you have these skills, you can easily make a lot of money in this digital age. So thank you guys for joining me today. And if you want to become an affiliate, feel free to ask me any question regarding becoming an affiliate and joining PiggyVest. It's so easy. Just send me a question in the comments and description of this video. I will put you through that. Thank you guys for having you. I remain your digital coach, Ibukun. See you guys at the top.